change leverage on your AvaTrade account, follow these steps. Log into your AvaTrade account. Go to the AvaTrade website and log in with your credentials. Access the profile section. Once logged in, navigate to your account profile or settings. This can usually be found by clicking your account name or avatar in the top right corner of the platform. Select the account you want to modify. If you have multiple accounts, choose a specific account where you wish to adjust the leverage. Request a leverage change. AvaTrade typically allows leverage changes through the customer support team. You may need to submit a request to them, either by contacting support through live chat, email, or phone. Specify desired leverage. In your request, specify the new leverage you wish to use. AvaTrade offers different leverage levels depending on the type of asset, the region you are in, and the regulatory requirements for your account. Wait for confirmation. Once your request is processed, you will receive a confirmation that your leverage has been updated. Note that the new leverage may not be applied immediately and may depend on market conditions or regulatory limits. Check for updates. After confirmation, verify that the leverage settings have been updated by checking your account details or trading platform.